In today's fast-paced financial services industry, organizations are grappling with outdated systems and inefficient processes. There's a pressing need for enhanced risk management and compliance. Additionally, the demand for improved customer insights and engagement is growing, alongside the integration of advanced technologies like AI and data analytics. By partnering with FSI Technology, clients can achieve a seamless transformation of their operations. This leads to increased efficiency, reduced risk, and enhanced customer satisfaction. Our global expertise ensures that local delivery capacity is uplifted and augmented, providing clients with cutting-edge solutions that drive growth and innovation. We deliver end-to-end modernization lifecycle, focusing on transforming front, middle, and back office operations. Our offerings include core modernization, resource augmentation, program management, tech strategy, proposition development, operating model development, cybersecurity, data and AI, and regulatory technology. With strong alliances and partners like AWS, 10X, Thought Machine, SS&C, Insurmo, and FNZ, we leverage deep industry knowledge and global delivery capabilities to provide comprehensive solutions tailored to our clients' needs. Deloitte has a proven track record of success in the financial services industry. We've worked with leading organizations to achieve transformative results,